Hey guys, sorry I couldn't be here. I'm going to run through what today is going to look like for you guys. You're obviously going to start by clicking into the class. If you're watching this video, you've already done this. And then you're going to click over to modules. You're going to end up coming down to today, which is lab safety contract. It's day number 2. When you click there, this is what your page should look like. You are right now watching this little video. Whether you are marine science or astronomy, both of them are exactly the same today. Lab safety, we're going to be doing a number of labs, and so we have to go over this by law. So I can't let you use scalpels. I can't let you use stuff that could blow up or break or hurt you with glass unless we have gone through this and you know what is expected of you while you're in the lab. So you're watching this video right now. First thing that you're going to do when you're done with this video is to head over and do bell work. Bell work just asks of all the topics that we're going to cover this year, what are you most excited about? If you are new, you just got here today, or you don't remember, go back to yesterday, the module from yesterday, open up the syllabus, scroll to the bottom, and there's a list of all the different topics that we are going to cover. After that, you're going to open up your lab safety contract. It looks like this, and your job is to scan through every single one of these guidelines, one of these rules. There are 55 of them. Do I want you to memorize all 55? No. Do you have to follow all 55? Yes. So I want you to scan through and want you to know what they are. And then you're going to open up this lab safety quiz. You guys are going to take a test, and the test is going to go into your grade as a test grade. They are all worth 100 points. This is one of those. So do you need to do this? Yeah. If you end up not completing this, you also will not be allowed to do labs, and you'll have to get a 40% for all of the labs for the entire year. So this is definitely something that you want to complete. If you click on this, it says that you may work in groups of 2 to 3. That's you and 2 other people, maximum of 3. If you want to work in a partner, just 2 of you, you can. If you want to work by yourself, you can do that as well. As you're taking this test in a group, you also get to look at all the answers. So your job is to have this open. You can scroll through. When you get to a question, like flammable materials like alcohol should never be dispensed or used near what? Come back to this lab safety contract, look through it until you find the correct answer. There's no reason anybody should fail this because you're working in groups. You're also working with the answers open. You also have to get at least an 80%. So just finishing it does not mean that you are kind of out of the woods. You have to get an 80%. There are 40 questions. 80% is a 32. You have to get 32 out of 40 correct. If you get 30 out of 40, I'm going to make you redo it. You can redo it as many times as you need, but you have to get a 32 in order to do labs. I recommend going through and doing this until you get 100% because it goes in as a test grade. 100% is better than an 80%, but that is up to you. If you are not as worried about your grades, then by all means, 80% is what you need to be able to do labs. After you are done with that, there's one last thing, which is an Ed puzzle. This Ed puzzle, the Amoeba sisters are going to go through a lot of the same stuff that you just saw. Because I'm not here right now, I want to make sure that you get this into your brain. So you have not only this test that goes in as a test grade, but you also have an Ed puzzle. Ed puzzle, obviously, please use your headphones. I know we're not supposed to have headphones this year, but for Ed puzzles, if we are not using headphones and we have 30 people listening to a video, it gets a little bit crazy. So please use your headphones. All of this is due in like 2 weeks, and the due dates are on Canvas. If you have any questions, please email me. Enjoy. Good luck on the test.